December 1st, 2013. Just giving an update. I've got the whole hood is finished now, grind down to the metal and primered. That's looking a lot better. This is my 1960 Pontiac Ventura 4-door hardtop Vista Cruiser. And also got new NOS backup light lenses on both sides. See, what else have I done since my last YouTube update? Completed this side. Looking good. Getting ready to work on these doors here pretty soon. Got a little bit of rot here to take care of. So anyway, it's coming along. And changed the oil today. Kind of cleaning it up, getting it in good shape. So that's the update. We'll keep you informed as I progress. Aloha.